Hello everyone, today I will detail discuss about how to research Google Earth's PPC campaign keyword research or subniche is air conditioning installation. Okay, so this is our air conditioning repair landing page installation, and before I make a video how to research and find out and why I need to find out high intent keywords and some specific points, I detail discuss about my first video and how to find my first video. Okay, so when YouTube and you need you need to see this first video how to research this type of keywords, and you can make easily find. My username is, this is my YouTube channel username. You can find out my channel, then go to the channel, select the playlist, and you can see this playlist and view full playlist. Then you can see my keyword research video, you can see my video, then you can see this video. Okay, now start the main point. Our main keyword is air conditioning installation or air installation, AC installation near me. This type of keywords are main keywords. So our location is Habertown, Pennsylvania, USA. Okay, now I get to start the keyword planner, discover new keywords, and please first to last see my video. Without better keywords you cannot get better leads and calls from Google Ads. Okay, and Google Ads is paid advertising. You can just waste budget for paid keywords. So keyword research is very important. Then I detail discuss how to research ad copy, how to make ad copy, and ad copy is very important parts. Okay, so please subscribe my channel for the next video, and you can check my videos. After 2 days later you can get a new keyword research topic is AC tune-up or anything else HVAC planning. So then I start making ad copy season. Okay, after 2 ad group, this is our 2 ad group structure. After it completes, then I start how to write ad copy, headline and description and call out extension for these 2 ad groups. Okay, and now AC installation repair near me. Air or AC is same word. So AC installation install near me, and AC installation now I select the location. What is our location? Pennsylvania, USA. This is a state, but I have a specific location, but a small location I cannot find out better keywords. So get results, and when you research keywords, and then you can understand what daily budget fit your campaign. And I also provide Google Ads consultation. If you have any questions for your local businesses, any other local business or HVAC business, you can message me. My WhatsApp number, I include my WhatsApp number on the video description. You can message me for any problem. I help you solving your problem. So HVAC installer near me. Also people search HVAC installation, but your target is first find out AC installation near me. After you can add this type of keywords, but you need to understand wrong keywords. Okay, your service is AC installation. This is our specific ad group for AC installation, not AC air conditioning repair. So you just added only installation purpose keywords, not repair. Repair is specific ad group. So you can include install and installation installers, this type of keywords in negative phrase types, this specific ad group. When as a person search on AC repair near me or AC installation near me, this type keywords are some messages like some keywords to ad group. So when they are show AC installation ad, your AC installation ad group show their mobile view, or you think your mobile Chrome browser. Okay, so this is negative service for this person. Okay, so you need to include best negative keywords for this specific ad group. Also you can include repair phase mesh this ad group. Okay, your service is installation, not repair. When as a person starts only installation, they need to installation new AC, not repair. Okay, so you can put repair service this repair words keyword this negative phase mesh specific this ad group. And now start air condition unit. This is another thing. HVAC installation. Okay, I can include but HVAC contractors, but intent is not clear. Our intent is only AC installation, but this is AC installation, but in intent is not clear. When you putting this type of keywords, your ad budget is very high. Okay, so you need to make laser focus campaign if possible. Okay, AC air conditioning service, you can see this type of maintenance installation, not best AC installers near me. Okay, you see high intent keyword search volume is low, but short intent keyword search volume is more better. But when this type person search best AC installation near me, this customers or this traffic intent is so high, need to buy your service. Okay, local air conditioning service. Okay, service means repair. Okay, air conditioning unit installation also you can putting down, include then your AC installation keyword, AC installation company near me, home air conditioning service near me. Now you need to see home, your service is only homeowners, your targeted customers only homeowners, then you can putting this type of keywords. But your service is commercial AC installation only for office, hospital, or another thing, or market, so you cannot putting down this type of keywords. Residential or home is same type of words for homeowners. Okay, AC is back near me, intent is not clear. Okay, you need to not select this type of keywords. Home air conditioning repair, our target is installation. Central AC installation near me, you can put these keywords. Best HVAC installer near me, this is also good. Cheapest, okay, your service is cheapest, you can include that. But also people not cheapest is bad, for you can include affordable is best for okay, better than cheapest. Okay, new AC installation cost, their intent is cost, how many cost, also you can include then your targeted keywords. Air conditioning places near me. Okay, AC installation charge, AC installer in my area, best HVAC contractors, best mini split installer near me. Now you need to understand, as a business owner you can understand, but as a Google Ads expert or Google Ads learner, mini splits, why which is and what is best mini split. Okay, what the word intent is, you can Google it. Okay, residential air conditioning service near me. Residential mean homeowners, your target is homeowner. Then I find out the best keywords. AC installation service near me, this is year of years is high, so high. Okay, same day AC installation, their intent is more high, same day. This type keywords you can add it your call campaign or PPC campaign. They when they are search this type of keywords, you need to include call extension in your campaign, then they can direct call you. Okay, now new AC installation near me, this is best keywords. Best AC installation company near me, HVAC installers in my area, and air conditioning installation service near me, AC install AC in house. Okay, home air conditioning installation, HVAC system installation cost. Okay, air conditioner sales and installation, not local AC installer. You can edit a local type of words in local ad group. Specific you can make local ad group. Okay, if need to any problem in your business growth, you can message me my WhatsApp number. I also provide Google Ads consultation and Google Ads service for local businesses, also HVAC business. HVAC system installation near me. This is also best keywords. Already I select 20 keywords. Okay, now air conditioner and installation. New air conditioning system. Install new air conditioner. New HVAC installation. You need to see this is so high intent, so our budget is not high. I cannot include this. Okay, affordable HVAC installation near me. Yes, your service is must affordable. You can put me down. Okay, so without you cannot provide affordable service, you cannot include this type of keywords. HVAC installation service. Okay, okay, these keywords are good for me, so I include our Google sheet. So okay, this type keywords for me and my Google Ads PPC campaign. This type keywords I find for only installation, not repair. So please subscribe my channel for the next video I make how to make ad copy and headline, description, call out extension for 2 ad groups. Okay, so please subscribe my channel for the next video. Thank you so much watching my videos.